So it looks like we got another update. So back to back, one update after another. Here you can see 2022.12.3.12. Before was 2022.12.3.3. So let's see how big of an update this is. We're going to start it. All right, it says to install and it'll take 25 minutes. So let's go ahead and start. Preparing to update. Let's go out to the car and I'll show you what shows on the screen. But here you can see cancel update, and I have 2 minutes to do so, and it should be showing the same thing on the screen. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to keep this in portrait mode so that the screen stays as big as possible. But yeah. All right, so here you can see software update. All right, updating to 2022.12.3.12. Here you can see it will take approximately 25 minutes, just like the previous one. And we'll wait for this. Let me turn off the AC. Sorry if you couldn't hear me. I'm actually gonna sit in the car, open the windows in the hot summer 90 degrees Fahrenheit. It's not really 90 degrees, it's the car. I don't know why the car thinks it's 90 degrees. Maybe the I don't know where the sensor is, but maybe because the paint is dark. Let's see what the actual temperature is. The weather says, okay. Is it going to update? Because it's definitely not 57 degrees right now. There we go. Okay, according to weatherman Binh, it is 80 degrees Fahrenheit over here. Feels like 79 because of the wind. And 22% humidity. Alright, that's it for now. I'll see you guys when the update continues. Alright, you can see it started. Now because it's so sunny, you can see my reflection even though it's matte with the screen protector. But you can see it's updating and it says it's starting. Do not drive until complete. And I'll see you guys once it's doing something else. One thing I noticed is even though it shows this software updating screen, it's still getting the Bluetooth signal from my phone. When I watch a video or do any audio from my phone, it's still actually going to the Bluetooth on the car. So keep that in mind, because if you start this and you're close to your car, you're going to have to stop the Bluetooth from going from your phone to the car. Otherwise, the sound's going to be still going to your car if you're close enough to it. Alright, so here you can see now it's changed. Updating autopilot, driver assistance, and dash cam is disabled. Do not drive until complete. Alright, we'll see you guys when more things change. Okay, the car's making some weird sounds, like clunking sounds. And here you can see it says it's updating electronic control units. Driving and charging is disabled. Do not drive until complete. So we're going to let it continue a bit more. And yeah, we'll see you guys when something else changes. Alright, it's daytime, so it's a bit noisier now. But I can hear some like whirring sounds below the car. Kind of like fans or something are running. Just wanted to update you guys on that. Alright, so we're going to let this go a bit more. And we'll see if anything changes. Alright. Oh, here, you can actually hear the noises if I move the phone over here. Kind of sounds like a somewhat noisy desktop PC. If you heard the clacking right before I stopped it, the fan actually stopped. Let's see if anything changed on the screen. Nope, looks like the same. Alright, see you guys in a bit. I wonder if I should just stay under the car so you can hear all the noises it's making. Let me actually move the phone back over there so you can kind of hear. See if you hear any other noises. So this is right between the wheel well. Okay. And I don't know if anyone wants to see what underneath the car looks like. You have this whole metal plate here. There's some red glue stuff there coming out all the way down. Inside the wheel well, you have that. There's like a bolt thingy with a screw. You can see the suspension back there and how the things all hold together. I don't know all the proper terms. Alright, I'm wearing down my tires quite a bit. You can see how the driving is pulling the rubber. So I don't know how long these tires are going to last with the way I'm somewhat driving. You can kind of see the back of the wheel over there. It's not making noises anymore. Watch, I'm going to move back to the front to look at the thing, and it's going to start making noises. Let's take a look again. Finishing update. Right, driving is disabled. Do not drive until complete. So it's getting there. Again, the car's not making any more weird noises. But let's go back down there and see. Yeah, no noises. Car's so smooth underneath. There's not much going on under there. Let's actually look under the front. Oh, in the front they have this, oops, they have these vents here. Okay, you can see more from this side. And in the front, you just got this plastic plate. Yep, it's not making any more noises. Let's go sit in the car. Uh-oh, what just happened? Why is the screen so dark? Software updating, rebooting. Driving disabled. It's really hard to read that. Oh, there you go. Oh. Screen turned off, so we should be just about ready. Come on, waiting for you. There you go, got the Tesla logo. Give it a bit. Booting up, booting up. Taking a while. Okay, it's off again. It's on again. If it's like the last one, I think it did this like 3 or 4 times before it actually started up. Let's see if it does the same this time. Still doing nothing. Oh, there you go. Updating some more, rebooting. Driving is disabled, and the car's on. It's gonna show the new updates. What do we got? Nothing? Nothing? Did it just go to the screen and it's done? Okay, let's open the updates ourselves then. Software. Okay. Autopilot, so it tells all the stuff I have. Software. Okay, so here you can see version 11, 2022.12.3.12. Release notes. Release notes. Release notes. Release me the notes. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we do have new stuff here. Autopilot, maximum speed. Autopilot's maximum speed has been increased from 80 miles an hour to 85 miles per hour. Please continue to remain tentative and be ready to take over while using autopilot features. Right, additional bottom bar customization. I think this is all the same. Alright, nothing new here. Child lock, nothing new here. Additional mobile app stuff, nothing new here. And new language support, nothing new here. So the biggest part that they added is Autopilot can now be used at 85 miles per hour. Sometimes I would increase the speed of my car while on autopilot, and then it would disable autopilot for me for the rest of the drive because I go beyond the 80 miles an hour. So that's a nice thing that they added, but 85 is still not as fast as some people would want, because like if you're driving in Texas and stuff like that, their speed limit is 80 miles an hour. So you can guess people are going to be driving like 90 or 100 or whatever. I mean, even in California, people are crazy and do that. But yeah, anyways, 80 miles an hour is a pretty standard speed that people will be driving. So 85 is not that much more. So most likely people are going to be getting kicked out of autopilot still, but that extra 5 miles per hour is a nice add. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.